Hey there, y'all. So today we're going to do a very simple install from GitHub. Hopefully this works out and I don't screw it up. Let's go. I'm going to go to the web page. Here we have GitHub. I found this little ASCII art program. I just kind of searched around for something that I thought would be fun. So we're going to go ahead and clone it from the HTTPS. Just copy that address. Sounds good to me. Now I'm going to go to my regular GitHub Documents little subfolder, and I'm going to open up a terminal. I understand that not everyone likes PowerShell. I don't care. We're not worried about that today. We're going to git clone that. We're going to change directories into art. Sounds good. Now here it is. Now we've got a couple of different things, and I went ahead and I read the install markdown, but as you can see it with me, it just wants us to run pip install art. So let's try that. Bring back up my command line, pip install art and the version number. Successfully installed. So that is the very simple way to go onto GitHub, download a repository, and install a program from source code. Now, sometimes the programs are a lot more complex. Sometimes they have install files already. It kind of depends on the package and the dependencies within it, but there you go. Now we have successfully installed this little ASCII art program. I hope you guys enjoyed, and wanted to keep it clean, simple, and straightforward because my other one's been long and silly. This has been under 3 minutes. Love you. Have a great time.